Yeah, good morning. I got my iced coffee. I gotta come out here and check my garden. Planted corn, planted beans, planted peas. Set my coffee down somewhere, or I won't forget it. Hopefully, my onions, planted these last week. Planted corn in here, nothing yet. Corn in here, nothing but the old stuff yet. We're still waiting. Planted beans in here. And still no beans over here, although I have replanted. Still nothing yet. Peas are coming. These peas are actually circling up this. Oh look, I got peas. They're already out. Look at that. First fruits. Give thanks. Nice. Very nice. So, that's interesting. Got some peas showing. More peas coming. Flowers are doing good. I started weeding. Weeded this bed. And I still got all that to do over there. Let's check the apples. Deer came through here a couple weeks ago and just devoured all the lower leaves here. But apples are still coming on. What's this? Honeycrisp. Oh, it's doing all right. Still got apples here, apples here, apples here. Doing all right. This one is overcrowding. I should have taken this one off in the first time I clipped them. This one I want to go this way. Yeah, look at this one. It's not doing well. Get rid of that one. Trim that one back. The deer ate this one, so it's not doing any good. We'll trim it back, but that one probably should go anyways. It's all right. It's doing good. It's got some fruit up here. It's all right. This one here, it's got fruit. What do we got? Granny Smith? Yeah, Granny Smith. This one, next month I'll take these off. Trim these all back. That's your summer pruning. This one's doing pretty good too. I think this is a cosmic. I think this is my cosmic. Oh no, this is a Liberty. I think that's my Liberty, and this is the cosmic. And there's a few cosmic on here coming on. Yeah, apples are doing pretty good. Raspberries, let's look at these guys. Got some good fruit coming on here. Bees are active. They're going to town. Look how tall these are. I'm gonna have to have a ladder to get up there. Bees are going to town. Let's go in the greenhouse. Ooh, it's nice and shady in here. Turn this off. Grapes. Grapes are doing fantastic. Both sides. My hanging basket that was dwindling, I cut it way back. It's doing pretty good. Tomatoes, peppers, everything. Banana. I gotta take this banana to work. I had a coworker I'd saved this banana for. the basil is just, it's horrible. Cilantro's doing good. Peppers are doing pretty well. My lemon tree here is just not doing so good, but what are you gonna do? So we're just gonna water. Everything in this greenhouse is grown in a pot or one of these square milk crates. And it gets a heavy dose of water about every 3 days. I don't like to overwater this stuff. This guy overwintered from last year and it just did not do very well. It leafed out, but no growth whatsoever. Kind of disappointed. Thought maybe that was going to be my winner. And it turns out it's my loser. I like to hand water. This has got a little bit of fertilizer in it. Hand water so I know exactly how much everything is getting, especially in the springtime. These are overwintered onions. You can see they're going to seed. Just keep those for the house in case I need a green onion. A little bit of cilantro here. Not a great grower. Alright, let's hit that banana. Let me set you guys up here. You don't need to follow me around. There you go. I'll hit these over here just in case. Got some grapes down here. One zinnia that needs to go out. That banana's going to get a heavy dose. Bananas like a lot of water. That's good. Zucchini are about ready to go out. Pumpkins about ready to go out. Cucumbers. Yeah, that's about it. Oh, I got some seeds back over here that need a little dose. There we go. That should do it. All right. A couple more things I wanted to look at. I planted a row of cosmos in here. And then I planted some zinnias. Nothing coming up yet. And then I have sunflowers in the next bed over. That one I haven't tackled yet. That one gets pumpkins. pumpkins. I planted some grass seed over here for my new area. And the grass seed, you can see it's just starting to come up here. Look at this mole. You see this? This mole's coming through over here. Unbelievable. Yeah, that's it for me. Everything's doing okay. It's kind of spring is just, you get 7 days of rain and then the sun comes out and everything's just like, so it's hack back time. Sometimes you just have to hack everything back and hope for the best. I haven't planted this one yet. Lavender, what is that? Spanish lavender. Some geraniums, some mums. Grew these from cuttings. All this stuff is from cuttings, except for that lavender. I bought that one because I didn't have any Spanish lavender. I just had French. Dahlias are doing great. The roses are starting to come on. The lupins are almost, they got about another week and they'll be done. They'll be moving over. The petunias are doing fine. The geraniums, everything's doing fine. It's just coming along. The calabrocoas, they're doing okay. They need some time. Yeah. All right, you guys have a good day. Let me get your rose for you. Well, there's a good one. Ow. These got super sharp little things on them. You just gotta roll your fingers around them and they pop right off, but try not to get poked. Ow. Got me. That is a sharp one. There. Now we'll pull these guys back. Open these up, these first petals. See if there's any bugs. Pull these petals off the bottom. The green petals. There. A few roses for the vase.